Finally, Thomas Tuchel played his first match with Chelsea in the Premier League competition, but unfortunately Tuchel failed to win in his first match. This match ended in a goalless draw. According to statistics, they appear dominant than Wolves. Chelsea have the ball up to 79%. This is one of the positive things from Thomas Tuchel for Chelsea, and there are other lessons behind the match between Chelsea and Wolves. What are the lessons? Here are 5 lessons from the Chelsea vs Wolves match. Number 1 is the number of passes has increased significantly. Chelsea is used to dominating the game during the Frank Lampard era, but it was a different story when meeting Manchester City. When meeting other teams, Chelsea was able to record more than 16% of ball possession in its last 5 matches in the Premier League. This good record was obtained because the Chelsea players were diligent in passing the ball. Their record from highest pass is against Fulham, with 757 passes. Despite that, Thomas Tuchel was able to immediately pass that record with just one game, namely against Wolves yesterday. According to statistics, Chelsea released as many as 120 passes, with a ball possession level of 78 make up the percent. This is a new achievement in the Premier League. Number 2 is Callum Hudson-Odoi in a new position. Since undergoing his first debut match in 2017, Callum Hudson-Odoi has always been positioned as a wing striker, but Tuchel has a different side to a line of Chelsea coach who have coached the player. In the match against Wolves, Tuchel played Hudson-Odoi as a wingback on the right. To his surprise, the 20-year-old player performed quite well in his new position. Hudson-Odoi contributed to the attack and defense as well. He fires 2 shots, recorded 2 key passes and made 3 blocks. Scored also gave him a rating of 7, 3 second best after Mateo Kovacic. Number 3 is can Chelsea defense be improved? The franchise of Thomas Tuchel seems to be able to solve one problem that is often experienced by Chelsea, namely the loss of the back line. Indeed, they are not the team with the highest number of goals conceded this season. Edouard Mendy himself has recorded a clean sheet from his 16 appearances in the Premier League. However, from the last 5 matches, he was only able to keep 1 clean sheet. The good news is Tuchel can make the number of Chelsea clean sheet this season increase sharply. It is important to note that Tuchel has kept clean sheets in his last 4 matches in a row, 3 at PSG, 1 for Chelsea. Number 4 is Thomas Tuchel aggression looking back at his career at PSG. Right before being fired, Thomas Tuchel can be called a coach who is rich in information. There are at least 4 different formations that he has used while coaching PSG: 3-5-2, 3-5-2, 3-4-3, 5-3-2, 2-4-2-2-2. Tuchel ever used with PSG. However, the results obtained by PSG are almost never disappointing. At Chelsea, he tired of a 3-4-2-1 formation. From this, it can be concluded that Tuchel prefers the 3-back format rather than 4. The format of the 3 defender is known and improved quality of defense. Evidently, Wolves were only able to fire 4 shots in this match. Number 5 is Wolverhampton is increasingly worrying. Wolves look increasingly worrying this season. The draw against Chelsea made Nuno Espirito Santos' club stuck in the 13th place with a collection of 23 points. In fact, since being taken care of by the Portuguese coach, Wolves have almost never left the middle of the Premier League standing. In the last 2 seasons, Wolves has always been ranked 7. This decline feels natural because almost every season Wolves lost important players who are recruited by big clubs. This summer, they were left behind by Diogo Jota and Matt Doherty, who moved to Liverpool and Tottenham. Will Move be able to reach like the previous season? Let's look forward to it.